Hello, garden lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, the channel dedicated to transforming your outdoor spaces into havens of beauty and tranquility. Today, we're delving into a design element that can truly elevate your garden from pleasant to profound: the garden water fountain. Before watching this video, kindly please support this channel by clicking subscribe, leaving a comment, or hit the like button and sharing it with your friends and family. Often overlooked, a well-chosen and thoughtfully integrated water feature can be the cornerstone of a captivating outdoor environment. We're going to explore everything you need to know about garden water fountain design, from fundamental definitions to practical execution, ensuring you can create a truly stunning addition to your home. Let's begin by establishing a clear understanding of what garden water fountain design truly encompasses. It's more than simply placing a prefabricated water feature in your yard. Garden water fountain design refers to the deliberate and artistic process of integrating a water-based decorative element into your outdoor landscape. This involves considering not just the aesthetic appeal of the fountain itself, but also its scale, placement, sound, and how it interacts with existing garden elements such as planting, hardscaping, and overall architectural style. It's about creating a harmonious synergy where the fountain becomes an integral part of the garden's narrative, enhancing its visual, auditory, and even tactile qualities. A successful design ensures the fountain feels natural and intentional, rather than an afterthought, contributing to the overall atmosphere and character of your outdoor living space. Beyond their undeniable beauty, garden water fountains offer a multitude of benefits that extend far beyond mere aesthetics. Understanding these advantages can help you appreciate the value a water feature brings to your property. Firstly, the most immediate benefit is the enhancement of sensory experience. The gentle sound of flowing water is inherently calming and therapeutic. It provides a natural white noise that can mask undesirable ambient sounds, such as traffic or neighborhood noise, creating a more peaceful and private environment. Visually, the movement and sparkle of water add a dynamic element to your garden that is both captivating and soothing. Secondly, water fountains attract wildlife. Birds, in particular, are drawn to sources of fresh water, adding another layer of natural beauty and activity to your garden. This can transform your outdoor space into a vibrant ecosystem. Thirdly, from a design perspective, a water fountain can serve as a powerful focal point. It draws the eye, provides a sense of direction, and can anchor a particular area of your garden. Its presence can also increase property value and curb appeal, making your home more inviting and unique. Finally, water features can influence the microclimate around them, contributing to a slightly cooler and more humid environment, which can be beneficial for certain plants and more comfortable for you during warmer months. Designing a beautiful garden water fountain requires careful consideration of several key principles, ensuring it seamlessly integrates with and elevates your outdoor aesthetic. It's about thoughtful planning, not just impulsive placement. First and foremost, consider the scale and proportion relative to your garden. A massive fountain in a small courtyard will overwhelm the space, just as a tiny feature in a sprawling landscape will be lost. The fountain should be proportionate to its surroundings, complementing rather than dominating. Secondly, placement is critical. A fountain should be situated where it can be seen and enjoyed, whether from inside your home, a patio, or a favorite seating area in the garden. Consider the natural light and shadow patterns throughout the day, as these will affect how the water sparkles and the fountain appears. Also, think about accessibility for maintenance and potential water supply. Thirdly, harmonize the fountain style with your existing garden and home architecture. A sleek, modern stainless steel fountain might look out of place in a rustic cottage garden, just as an elaborate classical tiered fountain might clash with a minimalist contemporary landscape. Choose materials, lines, and forms that resonate with your overall design theme. The choice of material for your garden water fountain is paramount, as it directly impacts its durability, aesthetic appeal, and maintenance requirements. Each material offers a unique character and suitability for different design styles. One of the most classic and enduring materials is stone, encompassing natural options like granite, marble, limestone, and sandstone, as well as cast stone. Natural stone offers unparalleled beauty with unique veining and textures, and it weathers beautifully over time, developing a natural patina. Both are exceptionally durable and provide a timeless, elegant aesthetic. Metal, particularly copper, brass, and stainless steel, offers a contemporary and sophisticated appeal. Copper and brass develop a beautiful patina over time, adding character, while stainless steel maintains a sleek, modern look. They are generally durable but may require occasional cleaning to prevent mineral buildup. Concrete is a versatile and cost-effective material. It can be molded into various shapes and sizes and can be stained or textured to mimic other materials. Concrete fountains are robust and can withstand various weather conditions, making them a practical choice for many garden styles. From rustic to modern, ceramic and glazed pottery offer a vibrant and artistic option, often seen in smaller, more intimate garden settings. These fountains come in a wide array of colors and glazes, adding a pop of personality. While beautiful, they can be more susceptible to cracking in freezing temperatures and may require winterizing in colder climates. Finally, fiberglass and resin fountains provide a lightweight and affordable alternative. They can be molded to resemble natural stone or other materials, offering a wide range of styles. The best material ultimately depends on your aesthetic preference, budget, climate, and desired longevity. Now let's explore some inspiring garden water fountain design ideas that can ignite your imagination and help you envision the perfect water feature for your space. Each of these ideas offers a distinct aesthetic and integrates uniquely into various garden styles. One, tiered classical fountain. This timeless design features multiple basins stacked one above the other, with water cascading from the top tier down to the bottom. Ideal for formal gardens, large estates, or as a grand centerpiece in a spacious courtyard. The sound is often a gentle, rhythmic flow, providing a sense of grandeur and tranquility. Think Italianate gardens or traditional European landscapes. 2. Wall-mounted spout fountain. Perfect for smaller gardens, courtyards, or even patios. This design incorporates a spout or sculpture integrated into a wall with water flowing into a basin below. It saves floor space and can create a charming focal point. Materials often include stone, metal, or concrete, offering versatility in style from rustic to contemporary. 3. Disappearing or pondless fountain. For those who love the sound and visual appeal of water without the maintenance of a traditional pond, a disappearing fountain is an excellent choice. The water recirculates from an underground reservoir, appearing to vanish into a bed of decorative rocks. This design is safe for children and pets and requires minimal cleaning. It's especially popular in minimalist or modern landscapes. 4. Japanese bamboo fountain or shishiodoshi. Known for its meditative rhythmic tipping sound, a shishiodoshi uses a pivoting bamboo arm that fills with water and then tips over, emptying its contents with a gentle clack. This design evokes a sense of peace and traditional Japanese aesthetics, perfect for Zen gardens or serene contemplation spaces. 5. Contemporary sphere or orb fountain. A sleek and modern design featuring a smooth, often polished sphere or orb from which water gently bubbles or flows over its surface. These fountains are typically made from stainless steel, polished stone, or concrete, and are ideal for contemporary or minimalist gardens, adding a touch of sophisticated artistry. 6. Rock or boulder fountain. This design mimics natural springs, with water seemingly emerging from a natural rock formation or boulder. The water can gently trickle or surge, creating a very organic and earthy feel. Excellent for rustic, naturalized, or woodland gardens, blending seamlessly with the surrounding landscape. 7. Bird bath fountain. A simple yet charming addition, these fountains combine the function of a bird bath with a gentle water flow, attracting a variety of avian visitors. They are typically smaller in scale and can be made from various materials, suitable for cottage gardens or as a delightful accent in any outdoor space. 8. Stacked slate or stone column fountain. Composed of vertical slabs of natural slate or stacked stone, these fountains create a mesmerizing sheet of water flowing down their textured surfaces. The sound is often a gentle ripple or whisper. They offer a contemporary yet natural aesthetic, fitting well into modern and transitional garden designs. 9. Urn or jar fountain. A classical and versatile design where water bubbles up from or overflows from a decorative urn or large jar. These can be placed as standalone features or integrated into planting beds. Available in a wide range of materials and finishes, they can complement traditional, Mediterranean, or even rustic garden styles. 10. Custom-designed water feature. For those seeking a truly unique statement, a custom-designed water feature allows for complete personalization. This could involve incorporating unique sculptural elements, integrating water into complex hardscaping, or creating a bespoke cascade tailored to specific site conditions. This option allows for maximum creativity and a truly one-of-a-kind garden focal point. As you can see, the possibilities for garden water fountain design are vast and inspiring. Whether you seek serene tranquility, a vibrant wildlife hub, or a stunning visual focal point, there's a water feature out there to perfectly complement your outdoor oasis. Thank you for joining us today on Garden Decor Designs. We hope this comprehensive guide has provided you with valuable insights and sparked your imagination for your own garden water fountain project. Remember, the key is thoughtful planning and selecting a design that truly resonates with your personal style and the character of your outdoor space. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more garden design inspiration and practical tips. We love hearing from you, so share your favorite garden fountain designs or any questions you have in the comments section below. Until next time, happy designing.